Hola, Señora Vaz with your instructions for today. Today, first thing you're gonna do, report your assistance, your attendance here. So please pause your video for a second and fill your information. Thank you. All right, for your actividad inicial that I please ask you to do every day, you are going to type, you're going to complete the sentences with something, with the words that we learn to agree on something that you like or something you don't like. That's why I put you an example for something I like and something that you don't like. I don't like. So you are going to agree. You use the expressions that we learned the last class, and you are going to agree with these statements. So what you can do is just go and submit assignment, and then you type this sentence, or you copy and paste this sentence, and then you complete with a mí también or a mí tampoco. That's the answer. So you put in the right place. Okay. So in this part, you will continue to learn and practice with the new vocabulary and the new chapter. And you are going to complete some activities in the virtual book, and the activity is called Vocabulario en Uso. We are going to start having some conversations. I'm trying to make the arrangement so we can meet and have conversations in Spanish, because we haven't been able to practice our Spanish, and we do need to practice some Spanish. So when you remember, I put the slideshow, but I also put it in a video. So you are going to have how to pronounce the words. You're going to know how to pronounce the words. Please play them and listen to them. You also have the Quizlet, so you don't listen to only your teacher's voice, but somebody else's voice too. So please practice the pronunciation of those words so you can interact with me when we have our interview. Okay, that said, let's go to the activities. This is Vocabulario en Uso. You're gonna have 6 activities today. Let's see what the first one is. The first activity. Okay, so this is the first activity. It says, ¿te gusta o no te gusta? You don't need the e-text, I don't think, for this activity. You need to complete the following sentences with one of the activities shown, or with any of the other activities shown in the e-text. So you already know your activities, so you just need to complete. So for example, number 1, you're going to complete with the activity that you have in number 1, right here. This is a woman working with the computer. my computer is not loading. Hopefully for you, the woman working with the computer would load, but for me, it's not loading. So you're going just to write the sentences here. So you complete me gusta and then put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 sentences. And here you use 2 activities. Remember, 2 activities that you don't like. So actually gives you the option. It gives you some pictures here, but in the instructions it says that you can use any of the activities. So you can use any activities that you are learning. There's only one for that, only one question, but it has all this. Okay. All right. For the real talk, the first real talk, you had your example right here.
Me gusta correr.
A mí también.
So it's simply just to make a statement and then agree with the statement. So you can put me gusta correr, but you can put also me gusta pasar tiempo con amigos, o me gusta jugar videojuegos, and then a mí también. Or you can disagree and say, a mí no me gusta. So you can use either one. You don't have to use both. You use either one. For the next real talk, you are going to follow this model, this modelo.
¿Te gusta montar en monopatín?
Sí, me gusta mucho.
So it's just, you're going to ask a question and then you're going to answer. You can answer sí me gusta mucho or no, no me gusta nada. So you can use either one. yes or no. So you're answering that question, and you're answering that question with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're going to record the conversations here. Okay. Let's see in the other one. I think it was, you just need to record 1 in that one. So 1 in the number 2, and then in the number 3 you have 6. This activity about Fondo Cultural is you know about outdoor cafes and cyber cafes. So you're just going to read this here and then answer these questions right here. For the instant check vocabulary, complete the sentences with the appropriate word or expression according to the pictures. You look at the picture, you put here the activity that you see the person is doing. That's it. And for the last one, I think that's the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. You have an audio. I put the audio right here. Here's your audio for that activity. So you are going to listen to the audio. Okay, I know you jumped from one. I paused it. Okay, so here's the audio. We're gonna listen to the audio and then answer the questions. Now, in this is what's gonna happen. I had already put this here. Let's move. Okay, so you're gonna listen to the audio. This is a teacher, and you see the context right here, up here. You see the context, and this is a teacher. Tell the students, what do you like better, this or that? And then the student is picking what they like better. So you are going to put in the first box, you're gonna put what the student answers. So you listen, and you put what the student likes better. In the second box, you're gonna put what you like better. So you listen to those two options and you put me gusta in whatever it is. Let's try the first one to see how. I mean, this is the example based on what they say. Let's hear it.
¿Te gusta más bailar o cantar?
Me gusta más cantar.
1. ¿Te gusta?
So that was example. ¿Te gusta más bailar o cantar? So Guillermo, who is the other person, say, me gusta más cantar. So you just put cantar. So when you hear Paco talking, you're just going to put the action that Paco likes. But then to you answer according to your likes. So you like better to dance or to sing. So you put in a complete sentence, me gusta más, and whatever it is. So you're going to do the same with the first one. I'm going to help you with the first one because I know that it can be a little confusing.
¿Te gusta más ver la tele o usar la computadora?
Me gusta más usar la computadora.
So Paco say...
¿Te gusta más ver la tele o usar la computadora?
So Paco say that he likes better to use the computer, usar la computadora. So the two options is ver la tele and usar la computadora. So do you like better to use the computer or to watch TV? So in the second box, you're gonna say, me gusta más. Me gusta más, and then you pick whatever you like. So let's say, no, actually, I'm gonna put ver la tele. So that's what I like better. So I put that one. And you're gonna do the same with all of them. 3, 4, 5. So you have 10 answers, but one is for what you get from the other person, and 5 for the other person and 5 for you. I hope it's not that confusing, but I'll be connected anyway. So if you need help, I think, let me see, let's go back to the plan. Yeah, that's it for today. It's not much. So we're gonna meet during the class, and then I'll be helping you with whatever questions you have. So I'll see you during class. Adios.